Welcome to the San Antonio Riverwalk Mission Reach. Getting to know a city is getting to know its roots, its passions, and the natural settings that still paint the area, while being a part of new cultural influences. Come walk, run, bike, fish, or paddle along this 8-mile section of the San Antonio River in the footsteps of native peoples and Spanish settlers and explore a burgeoning ecosystem dappled by rich history and recreation opportunities. One of the first things you will notice is that the Mission Reach's bridges and benches are also works of art, inviting you to cross over and take a rest while you soak in the scenery along the 16-plus miles of hike and bike trails. The Mission portals, too, are framed by incredible large works of art. These portals are gateways to exploration of 4 of San Antonio's Spanish colonial missions, inscribed as a World Heritage Site in 2015. After taking a moment to step back in time, hop back onto your bike or tighten those laces and continue on your journey as you take in the scenic views. Look across the wildflower meadow and tall native grasslands, and you might see a majestic painted bunting sitting proud on a tree that a volunteer recently planted. Everyone, including bike riders, can enjoy use of the trails year-round. There are plenty of bike tool stations to do a quick fix if you need to. And no need to worry if you don't have a bike. There are bike share program stations located all along the Mission Reach. Did you know that there are also water-based recreational activities? Bring your canoes or kayaks to any paddling trail access point or check out one of several outfitters where you can rent equipment. Then be on your way to a day of fun on the river. Fishing is fun for the whole family, and there are certainly many peaceful places for that on the Mission Reach. San Antonio River Authority watershed staff and scientists are often spotted helping to keep this ecosystem and recreation area safe, clean, and enjoyable. Be sure to say hi and do your part to do the same. There are maps and interpretive signs at certain points along the trails to read up on fun facts and information about the Mission Reach, and points of interest you'll see as you make your way along. Preparing to visit is easy. Be sure to check out the San Antonio River Authority's website to download the detailed Riverwalk map and learn about upcoming events, trail updates, and special considerations such as trail safety and recreation preparedness. Whatever your inspiration for visiting the Mission Reach is, be prepared to want to visit again, because the reasons you connect with this area of the San Antonio River will grow.